Okay. The SmallHD. Okay. I brought the extended version for the Sony. So it comes with the battery adapter, HD cables, and looks like an Anton Bauer Sony adapter battery. The reason why I brought the SmallHD Focus, it's a 5-inch monitor that I'll be using. Is basically to help me do a job when I'm using the Sony camcorder. Okay, so now I've opened up the box, and what do I have? Oops. Alright. Test screen, power, and so information. Okay. Comes with a screen wipe. And this looks like it's a screen protection for it. Yep, screen protector. Tempered glass. Okay. Now, okay. Comes with HDMI USB. Yep, and HDMI. Okay. Hot shoe plate. Clip holders, I believe. Okay, this feels, it's hollow basically, but it's a, you'll be able to charge your, not charge, but you'll be able to use your Sony cameras with this system. Anton Bauer. I do have my own generic one that I've purchased for my Sony FX1. So this one's the smaller size. Yep. Eco full. Feels very flimsy though. Feels very flimsy, like I said. Alright, so what I'm actually interested in is this. Here's for the hot shoe. And this part's pretty new. Okay. Okay, so that's for the tension, I guess. I'm not sure. Okay, so the power button for the battery, for HDs, audio. Okay. So that's for the tightness, I guess, how tight you want this. Let's just try and see what it says. Okay. It's secure. It feels pretty good. It feels rubbery here. You also have another mounting point there, as well as down here, as well as over here. So this is really good. Let's turn it on, see if it'll work. Nope. Looks like there's no battery power on this. Actually, I spoke too soon. Says set up your monitor, set date and time, activate via email, takes 2 minutes, skip or go. Activating the monitor initiates your warranty and grants you access to the latest software upgrades. So let's go, and I'll be right back. Well, if it worked. Okay, there it is. So today is 24 November 2017. Okay. Sorry guys. So I'm back. I've got it activated. It does feel real laggy for some reason to me. It says no HDMI signal, but that's fine. I'm just looking at this right now. Oops. Backlight. It says adjust the output of the LED backlight. Reducing this value will conserve battery life. And I think it's basically because I'm using this this thing right now. That's why it's laggy. We'll try it out later after I take the thing off. But right now I just want to play with this. Okay. Calibration. LUT default. Reset calibration. LUT. Enable calibration LUT. Okay. Appearance. OLED gamma match, gamma shift, and I have no idea on any of these right now, so let's not worry about that. Volume, of course, I'm going to be sticking the earplug right there. And SD slot is for LUTs, but I'm hoping, well, maybe someday that they'll actually let you record onto it. That'd be a great idea. And as you can see, it does flip back and forth. Image rotate, auto flip image, rotate image, match menu to video, anamorphic, 1 time, 133, 1/5, 166, and 2 DSLR scale, none. It's got the 5D Mark II and 7D. Image capture, capture LUTs, timestamp. Accessories, wireless, airplane mode, remote, pixel zoom, stationary display on the interface here, power, date, time, got that set, power, auto recovery, HDMI power on the monitor settings, profiles, firmware, current version 3.0.4, and it says firmware can be updated by inserting an SD card with a compatible update file. And of course you got factory reset. Okay.